Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kakachin channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today we're going to study some vocabularies in the form of substitution drills, that is to change word or words in a sentence. Let's start the lesson now. Substitution drills. Listen and repeat.
Latihan penggantian kata. Dengar dan ulangi.
Study, work, stay home, do your laundry, wash your hair. What would you have done last night if you hadn't had to study? What would you have done last night if you hadn't had to work? What would you have done last night if you hadn't had to stay home? What would you have done last night if you hadn't had to do your laundry? What would you have done last night if you hadn't had to wash your hair?
Belajar, bekerja, tinggal di rumah, mencuci pakaian, mencuci rambut. Apa yang akan telah kau lakukan tadi malam jika kamu tidak harus belajar? Apa yang akan telah kau lakukan tadi malam jika kamu tidak harus bekerja? Apa yang akan telah kau lakukan tadi malam jika kamu tidak harus tinggal di rumah? Apa yang akan telah kau lakukan tadi malam jika kamu tidak harus mencuci pakaianmu? Apa yang akan telah kau lakukan tadi malam jika kamu tidak harus mencuci rambut?
It hadn't rained, I had known about it, you had told me about it earlier, I had realized you were going. I would have gone picnic if it hadn't rained. I would have gone picnic if I had known about it. I would have gone picnic if you had told me about it earlier. I would have gone picnic if I had realized you were going.
Tidak hujan, saya sudah tahu tentang itu, kamu telah memberitahu saya tentang itu sebelumnya, saya menyadari kamu akan pergi. Saya akan pergi piknik jika tidak hujan. Saya akan pergi piknik jika saya sudah tahu tentang itu. Saya akan pergi piknik jika kamu telah memberitahu saya tentang hal itu sebelumnya. Saya akan pergi piknik jika saya menyadari kamu akan pergi.
Gotten up earlier, hurried up, not slept so late, set your alarm, awakened in time. If you had gotten up earlier, you would have had time for breakfast. If you had hurried up, you would have had time for breakfast. If you had not slept so late, you would have had time for breakfast. If you had set your alarm, you would have had time for breakfast. If you had awakened in time, you would have had time for breakfast.
Bangun lebih awal, bergegas, tidak tidur terlalu larut, menyetel alarm, bangun tepat waktu. Jika Anda bangun lebih awal, Anda akan punya waktu untuk sarapan. Jika Anda bergegas, Anda akan punya waktu untuk sarapan. Jika Anda tidak tidur terlalu larut, Anda akan punya waktu untuk sarapan. Jika Anda menyetel alarm, Anda akan punya waktu untuk sarapan. Jika Anda bangun tepat waktu, Anda akan punya waktu untuk sarapan.
Called you, gone on the picnic, run some errands for you, visited all the museums. If I had had time, I would have called you. If I had had time, I would have gone on the picnic. If I had had time, I would have run some errands for you. If I had had time, I would have visited all the museums.
Menelepon kamu, pergi piknik, melakukan beberapa tugas untuk kamu, mengunjungi semua museum. Jika saya punya waktu, saya akan menelepon kamu. Jika saya punya waktu, saya akan pergi piknik. Jika saya punya waktu, saya akan melakukan beberapa tugas untuk kamu. Jika saya punya waktu, saya akan mengunjungi semua museum.
Bought that house, made the trip, paid cash for the car, made a lump sum payment. If he had only had enough money, he would have bought that house. If he had only had enough money, he would have made the trip. If he had only had enough money, he would have paid cash for the car. If he had only had enough money, he would have made a lump sum payment.
Membeli rumah itu, melakukan perjalanan, membayar tunai untuk mobil, melakukan pembayaran sekaligus. Jika dia punya cukup uang, dia akan membeli rumah itu. Jika dia punya cukup uang, dia akan melakukan perjalanan itu. Jika dia punya cukup uang, dia akan membayar tunai untuk mobil itu. Jika dia punya cukup uang, dia akan melakukan pembayaran sekaligus.
Called me back, stayed in bed, gone on the trip, finished your work. I wish you had called me back next day, as I had asked you to. I wish you had stayed in bed next day, as I had asked you to. I wish you had gone on the trip next day, as I had asked you to. I wish you had finished your work next day, as I had asked you to.
Menelepon saya kembali tinggal di tempat tidur pergi dalam perjalanan, menyelesaikan pekerjaan Anda. Saya berharap Anda menelepon saya kembali keesokan harinya. Seperti yang telah saya minta. Saya berharap Anda tetap di tempat tidur keesokan harinya. Seperti yang telah saya minta. Saya berharap Anda melakukan perjalanan keesokan harinya. Seperti yang telah saya minta. Saya berharap Anda telah menyelesaikan pekerjaan Anda keesokan harinya. Seperti yang telah saya minta.
You wouldn't have broken your leg, there wouldn't be any broken bones, you'd be all right now. You wouldn't have sprained your ankle. If you hadn't slipped and fallen, you wouldn't have broken your leg. If you hadn't slipped and fallen, there wouldn't be any broken bones. If you hadn't slipped and fallen, you'd be all right now. If you hadn't slipped and fallen, you wouldn't have sprained your ankle.
Kakimu tidak akan patah, tidak akan ada tulang yang patah, kamu akan baik-baik saja sekarang, pergelangan kakimu tidak akan terkilir. Jika kamu tidak terpeleset dan jatuh, kakimu tidak akan patah. Jika kamu tidak terpeleset dan jatuh, tidak akan ada tulang yang patah. Jika kamu tidak terpeleset dan jatuh, kamu akan baik-baik saja sekarang. Jika kamu tidak terpeleset dan jatuh, pergelangan kakimu tidak akan terkilir.
A key, locked the door, time, bothered you, any money, married you, training, hired you. Had I known you didn't have a key, I wouldn't have locked the door. Had I known you didn't have time, I wouldn't have bothered you. Had I known you didn't have any money, I wouldn't have married you. Had I known you didn't have training, I wouldn't have hired you.
Kunci, mengunci pintu, waktu, mengganggu kamu, uang, menikahimu, pelatihan, mempekerjakan kamu. Seandainya saya tahu kamu tidak memiliki kunci, saya tidak akan mengunci pintunya. Seandainya saya tahu kamu tidak punya waktu, saya tidak akan mengganggumu. Seandainya saya tahu kamu tidak punya uang, saya tidak akan menikahimu. Seandainya saya tahu kamu tidak memiliki pelatihan, saya tidak akan mempekerjakan kamu.
But except for the fact that, if it hadn't been that, she would have gone with me, but she didn't have time. She would have gone with me, except she didn't have time. She would have gone with me, except for the fact that she didn't have time. She would have gone with me, if it hadn't been that she didn't have time.
Tetapi kecuali nyata bahwa, jika bukan dikarenakan bahwa dia akan pergi denganku, tetapi dia tidak punya waktu. Dia akan pergi denganku, kecuali dia tidak punya waktu. Dia akan pergi denganku, kecuali nyata bahwa dia tidak punya waktu. Dia akan pergi dengan saya, jika bukan dikarenakan bahwa dia tidak punya waktu.
Got lost my way, gone the wrong way, taken the wrong road. If I had asked for directions, I wouldn't have got lost. If I had asked for directions, I wouldn't have lost my way. If I had asked for directions, I wouldn't have gone the wrong way. If I had asked for directions, I wouldn't have taken the wrong road.
Tersesat, salah jalan. Jika saya menanyakan arah, saya tidak akan tersesat. Jika saya menanyakan arah, saya tidak akan tersesat. Jika saya menanyakan arah, saya tidak akan salah jalan. Jika saya menanyakan arah, saya tidak akan mengambil jalan yang salah.
Taken a vacation, gone on the picnic, enrolled in a class, attended the banquet. Even if we could have taken a vacation, we might not have wanted to. Even if we could have gone on the picnic, we might not have wanted to. Even if we could have enrolled in a class, we might not have wanted to. Even if we could have attended the banquet, we might not have wanted to.
Berlibur, pergi piknik, mendaftar di kelas, menghadiri perjamuan. Bahkan jika kita bisa berlibur, kita mungkin tidak menginginkannya. Bahkan jika kita bisa pergi piknik, kita mungkin tidak menginginkannya. Bahkan jika kita bisa mendaftar di kelas, kita mungkin tidak menginginkannya. Bahkan jika kita bisa menghadiri perjamuan itu, kita mungkin tidak menginginkannya.
Alright, agreeable, acceptable, resolved, perfect. Everything would have been alright if you hadn't said that. Everything would have been agreeable if you hadn't said that. Everything would have been acceptable if you hadn't said that. Everything would have been resolved if you hadn't said that. Everything would have been perfect if you hadn't said that.
Baiklah, menyenangkan, dapat diterima, diselesaikan, sempurna. Semuanya akan baik-baik saja jika kamu tidak mengatakan itu. Semuanya akan menyenangkan jika kamu tidak mengatakan itu. Semuanya akan dapat diterima jika kamu tidak mengatakan itu. Semuanya akan diselesaikan jika kamu tidak mengatakan itu. Semuanya akan sempurna jika kamu tidak mengatakan itu.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.